Every time I go to Menards, I check out the train aisle before I leave. I really like movies, so this theater always attracted my attention. It's pretty big, but not too deep, and I'm trying to branch out and move away from the Christmas-style ceramic houses that fill my layout now. I'm slowly trying to push myself more towards a realistic look. The packaging does a nice job of protecting the building. I bought mine at the store, but I wonder how well this would do if it were delivered by FedEx or UPS. I like the Art Deco styling of an old movie house from the 1920s or 30s. It's very colorful, and all of the figures on the sidewalk help bring it to life. It seems like those people and the building itself were hand painted, so I guess each one of these will be somewhat unique. There are two ways to power the lights, one spot on the back and another on the bottom if you'd rather your power come from below your layout. The adapter has to be purchased separately. Two styles are available, one for a single building or an adapter that can power three. Menards has an 11% rebate going on right now, but with the power adapter sold separately plus sales tax, you're right back to the $100 or $105 mark. I think that a big reason why people buy these is how they look in a darkened room, and it does look really nice. The LEDs that illuminate the marquee cycle through several different colors, and the street level, entrance, and ticket window are all especially well lit. The interior lights on the second floor worked when I first plugged it in, but they went out altogether after just a minute or two. I couldn't get them to come back on. And it's the lighting that really sells this building. It looks great in a dark room, but with the room's lights back on, it's a bit of a disappointment for me. The raised base and hand-painted nature of the whole thing are just too similar to the ceramic Christmas buildings that I'm trying to get away from. I could be wrong, but I can't really see something like this becoming a collectible. It looks good now, but if bulbs or LEDs burn out inside, I doubt that they'd be easy to replace. If I were to see this at a swap meet 10 years from now, I might be willing to pay 10 or 15 bucks for it, but I wouldn't be expecting the lights to still work. The people painting these probably have a quota per hour, so the lines won't be the straightest. And for $100, I guess it's still a pretty good deal, but I worry about its reliability over time. I returned this one to the store for a refund, I like that Menards sells O-gauge trains, but I'm still attracted to older and cheaper stuff from Lionel and Williams. Every now and then I'll splurge on something used but nice from MTH, and that's where my money will be going, I think. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until next time, this has been Bob's Workshop. Take care.